Good afternoon, welcome to Western Material Handling, abetterforklift.com. My name is Matt, this is Jeremiah, giving you a quick demonstration of unit number 2529C. It's a great low hour 2004 Yale, big girl, 21,000 pound capacity at a 24-inch load center. Good two-stage mast, raised height of 183 inches, lowered height of 150. Has a 12-valve Cummins diesel engine in it. Great engine. Really low hours. Just going to give you a quick demonstration. Excellent air pneumatic tires. Side shift and fork positioners. Independent fork positioners as well. You can move them each independently or together. 96-inch pallet forks. Good tilt. Recent PM service, recent repairs. Still has the same paint, but we plan on changing that so we can get it looking brand spanking new for you. Questions or concerns, you can visit us at our Fort Collins store or Denver location. This is currently in the Fort Collins location. Reach us on our website, abetterforklift.com. And we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.